Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome to my takeover. Today I'm gonna vlog and I'm gonna drive.
She's gonna drive the W123 Mercedes. Yeah. Okay. Let's switch seats and then you can sit on this beautiful place with the big steering wheel. I think you need to go out and then
you too,
switch.
bro.
Yeah.
You too.
I think. Okay guys, it's a bit windy outside, so we go fast. There she go, the beautiful W123. I hope you can hear me, because like I said, it is windy outside. So yeah, there we go. It's yeah, it looks beautiful. I think it looks very nice.
Okay.
Let's start it. What's the first thing that you are going to do when you drive the W123? You're going to start it. Oh no, that's the first thing. Indeed.
Yes.
You're going to put the seatbelt on.
You too.
It's a very safe car. We have seat belts, guys.
You also have to.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit too fast. And there we go. On the earlier cars, you don't have seat belts, so yeah, this is a nice one. On the W123, every car has seat belts. W123. Oh, it looks nice.
Okay.
It sounds nice. It is nice.
Okay.
And like I said, it's beautiful to see you in the driver's seat one time. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm scared, guys. Are we going to crash? I hope. I don't hope so.
I don't think so.
No, it isn't.
I have a lot of trust in me.
Yeah, you're not going to crash.
No.
I've trust in you.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
So, to where are we going?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's a bump.
That's a bit of a bump, but the W123 can handle it easy. The suspension is very good on this car, on those cars. And yeah, the steering wheel is very big. That is what much people say when they see this car.
To the right.
But it's yeah, you can if you want. The steering wheel is big, but that is because the older cars don't have steering. How do I say it? The steering help, steering assist. I don't know how you say it, but hello guys. Yeah, you can easily get this turn.
No.
Yeah, you can.
No,
Go.
I'm scared.
No, you can easily.
Oh.
Easily.
Sorry, bro.
And yeah, it is nice to sit in the I don't know how do I call this seat? The passenger seat. It's nice
passenger
to sit in the passenger seat.
Are they going first? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, they are going to first. But
first.
Yeah. And you want a W123 also. I've heard you say that, so yeah, it's nice. You have good taste. See. Yeah,
that sounds so.
It's beautiful. So a beautiful girl in a beautiful car. That's what else do you want? It's like, yeah, the cherry on top of the piece of cake. Yeah, that's it. Literally, it's so nice. I want to make some shots on the outside. Maybe I can do that, but it's a bit windy. So if you drive to there, and then I can make a shot. I can make a video of the car from the outside. If you drive to there, I hope
to the back.
To that little garage there. I think. I don't know where the wind is coming from, but I think I'll be safe there. It's a beautiful.
I feel like a taxi driver.
Yeah, it is the taxi color. It is in fact an old
you're
taxi.
at your destination.
Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful experience. Oh, it is windy. It is very windy here. I hope you don't hear the wind now. And there she comes, beautiful. Oh, it's also very windy here. Beautiful to see my own car driving on the parking spots here. Nice. And there is the taxi again. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you've heard the engine sound a bit. But yeah, nice. You did a good job driving the W123. How do you rate your driving experience in this beautiful car?
10 out of 10, of course.
10 out of 10, of course. It's an automatic too. I'd rather have the manual, but an automatic is very relaxed.
Yeah.
It's relaxed.
Yeah.
And yeah, this was it. I think this was this. Now you can shut off the engine.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful sound too. It still has good vacuum. Vacuum. I don't know how to call it, but it shuts off immediately, so that's a good thing. And thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, leave a like, buy your merch, link in bio, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.